Hello, students and parents. Well, this is Anubhav Sinal, Director, Universal Tutorials. I'm again here with a video message, this time about the board mock test series. Well, this is the time in the month of November. Now we at UT are beginning the board mock test series when we will start with full pattern board mock tests. And these tests for you will start from November onwards. Well, this message is primarily to all our 10 CBSE students. Well, for you, what we have is starting from 27th of November, the Sunday, we are starting full pattern, board pattern mock test series. तो जैसे बोर्ड में होते हैं 3-3 घंटे के वैसे पूरे टेस्ट होंगे. How many of them will be there? In maths, there will be 6. Science 6, social 6, English 4, Hindi 4. Like these tests will happen. How will they be structured? November 1, December 2, January 2, and February 1. All these tests will happen from November up till around 15th of February. We are expecting that your board exams will start from end of February, first week March, and that's where it'll continue up till about 3rd or 4th week of March. So, as important tip, ये exams, do not miss these exams. आके exams लिखें at UT centers. All our centers are available and आप physically लिख सकते हैं. There are people who have joined in our e-commerce product who are writing online. They will write online. But those who have joined for physical, you would continue join them physically at our branch locations. लिखें. If you're for some reason not able to write the test on that day, you have late attempt option, you can write it on late attempt. तो मेरी इधर एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है आपसे, it may so happen that on a particular day, suppose मैथ्स का टेस्ट है, and you will tell to your parents कि अरे इतने सारे चैप्टर्स हैं, 14-15 चैप्टर्स, मेरी तैयारी नहीं हुई, how will I write it? तो मेरी आपसे सिंपल रिक्वेस्ट है, ऐसा नहीं करो कि टेस्ट मिस करो. Please understand, we are preparing for board exams. I call board exams as an exams of the known. तो आप सब बच्चों की कभी भी तैयारी नहीं हुई है या आपकी आदत नहीं है इतने सारे सिलेबस को एक दिन लिखने के लिए, तो मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट रहेगी कि we will eat that entire cake, छोटा बाइट 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 करके खाएंगे. So on in the month of November or December जब टेस्ट हो रहा है, you may not be ready for all those 12-14 chapters. तो उस दिन अगर टाइम कम है तो 4 चैप्टर की तैयारी करके जाओ. After every test, we will give you a model answer paper. तो आप जिस दिन टेस्ट लिखोगे तो 4 चैप्टर की तैयारी है, बाकी will come off your memory. मॉडल आंसर मिलेगा, अच्छा यार ये गलत हुआ. Is there a possibility कि यही क्वेश्चन बोर्ड एग्जाम में आ जाएगा? Yes, it's a very good possibility. Believe me, at Universal Tutorials, the way we are setting papers, and हम ये पिछले 20 साल से करते आए हैं. Now it's 24th year for us. Is there a very good possibility कि जो ये questions आए हैं बोर्ड एग्जाम में वो के वो सवाल आ जाए? Yes. And in fact, we do an analysis जो आपके 30 questions आएंगे. Take it from me, more than 27-28 questions will be exactly the same as UT की test series. So it's a good idea. Do not miss that test. तो आप धीरे-धीरे आगे बढ़ेंगे. उस दिन आप कुछ सवाल सही करेंगे, कुछ गलत करेंगे. जो गलत करेंगे वो आपके दिमाग में इधर घुस जाएंगे. You will be able to, हाँ ये मैंने गलती करी है, तो क्या वही सवाल वापस बोर्ड एग्जाम में गलती होगी? नहीं होगी. आपकी तैयारी होगी. ऐसे 4 चैप्टर नवंबर में, 4 चैप्टर दिसंबर में, 4 चैप्टर जनवरी में, तब तक आपकी पूरी तैयारी हो चुकी होगी. यू विल हैव दैट कॉन्फिडेंस ऑफ राइटिंग दैट टेस्ट. और मार्च के महीने में फिर ऐसा नहीं होगा कि बोर्ड एग्जाम से पहले आप रात बैठ के पढ़ रहे हो. नोबडी हु अटेंड्स यूटी टेस्ट सीरीज वो रात को बैठ के पढ़ता नहीं है. मार्च में ही और शी बिकम्स कॉन्फिडेंट, हाँ मेरे को आता है, and you can go ahead and write that board exam very confidently. So that's for UT students. अब कोविड में सब खुल गया है, all our centers are available physically, so get ready, and we are all excited, teachers are all excited. Write them, experience the board exam and crack the board exam, and UT students will come out the best. Chaliye, many all the best for your preparations. Take care. Thank you. Bye.